Hi guys, morning to you all. Welcome to another walking video. So it's quite early in the morning here, it's about 8 o'clock. I'm still on the island of Koh Chang in Thailand. And today we're going to go for a little walking tour just to make sure I didn't miss anything last time. And then you guys can also get a really good idea of exactly what's about and where things are situated. So here we go. Guys, here's a bit of a treat for you. Two naughty little monkeys have just robbed the bin at 7-Eleven. Wow. Naughty little boys. Wow, there's the other one. My goodness. Wow, what a treat. Oh, this one seems to be missing an arm. Poor little sausage. Okay, guys, so here is the Mini Big C. It's quite a popular supermarket in Thailand. Just as reasonably priced as 7-Eleven. And here is the bubble tea place. There's some amazing bubble teas here that I'll show you. Some lovely ones. I mean, this holiday was the first time I tried Thai tea. It was absolutely delicious. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I've had it for a good few times too. So here, if you remember where the row of green roofs is, there's a tattoo parlour. There's a really super nice coffee shop here. Coffee is amazing. And right next to that is couple of doors along is the Bangkok Bank, which is without doubt the best place to exchange your money. So that's a really valuable travel tip there, because I've managed to gain myself so much more just by changing it all at the bank. Might have the inconvenience of sitting there for a while for your ticket number to be called, but I'd rather do that and get more for my money, seeing as I've worked my little butt off for this. So yeah, anyway, that's enough of me gambling on. That's another little supermarket there, P-Mart. Used to be one called Family Mart. I've not seen any of those around this trip. Maybe they're just not here. There's an absolute abundance of Thai massage shops here. I mean, I've lost count of how many there are. And I've visited about 5 throughout the holiday, and there's all been different ones. So everyone's starting up now. It's either massage shops or beauty parlours. There's a few tattooists on the island. I visited one yesterday and had a beautiful tattoo done, so I'm very pleased with that. I do like to get a tattoo when I come to Thailand. I've had a few done by now. Fantastic bars here. Some really great food as well. Gets scrub it up. And here we are on the other side of the road. There wasn't too much more up the road there. That's the abundance of chemists here, which has been great. I can't believe the price difference to things here and things in the UK. You know, like a pack of lady things that they have each month is just ridiculously priced at like 15p, 20 pence. But yet you buy that back in London or anywhere in England, and you know, you're looking for anything from £1 to £4 for something essentially you're going to throw away. Just a price difference. I know I'm going to begrudge paying everything like that, just as I always do. Yes, there's lots of travel shops, laundry places. over the road there is the Bangkok bank I was telling you about. So that's where you must go and get your money exchanged. Well, that is providing you want a better rate for your money that you've worked hard for. And some people just want the convenience of the exchange, and that's dandy. That's good for you, that's good for me. Personally, I like to get as much as I can for my money because I work my backside off to make these holidays happen. Quite lovely and cool at the moment, still quite early, so it's quite nice. So have any of you guys visited Koh Chang in Thailand? If so, I'd love to hear what the highlight of your holiday was and where you went, what you did. I've been relatively lazy since I've been in Koh Chang. I've not really bothered to explore too much. But this holiday was just purely about slowing down and, you know, just being mindful about everything that I do, because I believe that's what holidays are about. You know, it's an opportunity to slow down, forget the rat race for a bit. Not that I live in a rat race anymore. Live in North Devon, where it's a pretty relaxed pace of life, which is wonderful. Hello. So glad I moved when I did. Yeah, had a bit of a scary experience yesterday. I was walking along a pavement where there was a lot of open land and grassy area, and thank goodness I was paying attention because I saw a snake. You've just got to be so careful if you're going through grassy areas. You know, you can't be sure that you won't get bitten by a snake, guys. So seriously, do take care if you do. I mean, I was just lucky that I saw it move. That's the only reason I was aware that it was there. And I won't lie to you, it certainly made me pick up my pace a little bit. Shat myself. Thought I could. Snakes, I just can't stand them. I remember once my cousin going on holiday and asking me to look after his snake, and it told me it was only a small snake. It wasn't, guys. It was huge, and it was so scary that I refused to feed it. I had to get my brother to come around and feed the damn snake. So yeah, won't be doing that again. A lovely little hotel over there, the Grand Koh Chang. It's really nice. Loads of little weed cafes that have popped up since my last visit as well. It's just madness. I never thought Thailand would be a place to legalise it. I mean, my goodness, of all the stories that I've had over the years of people being prosecuted for being naughty. But wow, what a turnaround. Personally, it's not for me, but if it's for you, then good for you, my friends. I hope you're enjoying this walk, guys. And I'm not boring the pants off you. There's 15 Palms. Fantastic hotel. Unfortunately, they have been fully booked my entire trip, so I wasn't able to stay there, which is a real shame.